A creative manicure can be fast and easy. Who's here? Fashion divas! They need some amazing nail designs for International Nail Fashion Week. Paint 2 thin bent lines on white nails with black acrylic paint. Join them with a wider line. Add a few more arches on top of it. Join the horizontal and the vertical lines. Copy this pattern on the other half of your nail. Paint wide arches on the central strip. Coat the nail art with clear nail polish. Create a black French manicure on the rest of the nails. It's so unique! This design is hypnotic! And I need a nail art masterpiece! Mix white and green acrylic paint on a palette. Make a smooth transition. Add some black paint. Apply wide diagonal stripes onto a white nail with gaps between them. Make it look like bamboo. Add leaves. Define details and outlines using a thin brush and black paint. Our fashion divas love their manicures! Lillian's work will be shown at Nail Fashion Week. Forget about calories! I need nail art to match my healthy diet. Only fruits and no carbs. Paint circles on a white nail using a thin brush and yellow acrylic paint. Make a white cross in the center. Make it look like a lemon slice. Trace the outline of the lemon rind. Paint triangles on the next nail using red paint. Add a green strip and seeds. Make them look like slices of watermelon. Turn green circles into kiwis. Add seeds with a thin brush. Paint grapes and raspberries following the same principle. Protect the nail art with clear nail polish. It's so fruity! Now I'm motivated! I can look at some fruit whenever I want! It's our old friend Angie, a popular beauty blogger. What nail art do you want this time? I need something awesome to get a ton of likes. Let it be different on each hand. Coat white nails with edible glue. Add colorful sprinkles on top. Whoa! Sweet! Hey, followers! Check out my delicious nails! You can't resist biting them, but that wouldn't be hygienic. Come on, give me the other hand. We'll make it sweet too. Apply a cuticle protector around a white painted nail. Paint gummy worms using a thin brush and acrylic paint. Apply blue and pink paint onto a sponge. Press the excess onto paper and make an imprint on the nail. Make imprints with different colors the same way. Peel off the cuticle guard. Coat the nail with clear nail polish. and sprinkle with sugar. Wow! These are more than just nails. They look like real candies. Awesome! Hey, guys, check out my trendy nail design. Give it your sweet likes. I'm so bored. And the craziest ideas pop into my head. For example, making press-on nails out of straws. Cut the excess off colorful straws. Cut them lengthwise up to the bendy part. Attach double-sided tape to your nail. And stick on the straw. Aha! Now everyone will notice my manicure. These are transformer nails. You can twist them however you want. Plastic wrap can help you create a marble pattern. Apply different colors of nail polish onto white nails. Press on plastic wrap while the polish is still wet. Your purple marble nails are all done. This manicure looks so luxurious. It looks like this client got sunstroke. She brought a pound of sand with her. Let's create a beach-inspired nail design. Apply blue acrylic paint onto a half of a white nail. That's the sea. Paint the other part beige. Let it be a sandy beach. Paint a few nails beige. Write something summery on the sand nail using a thin brush and acrylic paint. Add footprints. Coat the nails with clear nail polish and sprinkle them with decorative sand. Take the sand off the footprints using a dotted tool. Add a strip of clear polish at the joining of the blue and the beige parts. Sprinkle it with decorative sand. Make it look like sea foam. It's the perfect manicure for a beach queen. And what should I do with the other hand? Let it be vacation-inspired too. Apply turquoise nail polish onto a stamping plate. Remove the excess nail polish with a scraper or a card. Use a silicone stamp to transfer the seashell onto a white nail. Make an imprint of seafoam on a turquoise nail with white nail polish. Sea-inspired nails are the best for a vacation. See you at the beach! Nature is a great source of inspiration. And water droplets look beautiful on your nails. Let's try copying this effect in a manicure. Dip a brush with food paint into water. Remove the excess paint using a palette. Add big drops on top of your white painted nails. Retouch the edges to make them 3D. Coat it with clear nail polish. Add highlights with white acrylic paint. Nature created my nail art. These drops look so real. Our next client is gentle like a delicate French flower. So her nail art has to match her personality. It'll be light and simple. Get some acrylic paint on your finger. Press the excess onto paper. Then make light imprints on your nails. Fasten the paint with clear nail polish. Lillian's fingerprints turn into light clouds on nails. It's exactly what I wanted. Grand merci, Lillian. I can take care of myself in between appointments. My cuticle needs some help. Clean an empty EOS container. Take off the grid and attach it to the cap. Mix granulated beeswax, a piece of shea butter, and grape seed oil. Melt it in a microwave. Add cuticle vitamins into the liquid. Pour it into the EOS cap. Let it solidify in a cool place. An EOS for your cuticle is a useful and quick treatment product. After a few seconds, your cuticle is all better. This client is a victim of allergy season. She's sneezing constantly. Hold on, is this a wipe on your nail? Although, that's actually a great idea for situations like this. Cut a pack of wet wipes. Take the wipes out. Cut off a little piece. Cut out an oval in the center. Fold the piece in half and attach to make a pack. Put wipes into the mini pack. Attach a flap out of tape. Mark off the opening. Cover the edges of the pack with parchment paper and seal them with a hot iron. Attach a strip of double-sided tape to your nail and stick on the mini pack. Now wipes are always on hand. It's a great trick if you have allergies. Lillian has a very special client at her nail salon. She's an artist, a yoga teacher, and a DJ. It's pretty obvious that her manicure also has to be creative. Color white nails with markers. Draw a geometrical pattern. Spritz some rubbing alcohol on top and let the ink flow. Secure it with clear nail polish. Did you do this with regular markers? Lillian, you're a genius! Did you like our nail art ideas? Let us know in the comments which nail design you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new nail ideas from Troom.